Hello guys and welcome from Dubai. My name is Andy and today I will show you a new project called Springgame. It's a really interesting project, I would say, but as always guys, no financial advice. Always do your own research before you invest in any project. So time is money, so let's go. It works like this. It's a really interesting concept, guys. Okay, our mission: play, earn, contribute to worldwide reforestation. Okay, Springgame is an innovative gamify and play to earn project operating on the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, let me explain you guys. So how does it work? First of all, step one: buy your mystery seed, because every tree is born from a seed. Acquiring a mystery seed will be the only way to grow a new tree. Mystery seeds can be purchased on our dApp. Let me show you guys the dApp. Of course, you will find it here, launch dApp. Okay, I will put the link in the description, of course, and you can see it. That's how it looks like, guys. And of course, you have to connect your wallet first to buy anything. Okay, so first of all, you buy a seed, okay, because every tree comes out of a seed. So there are four different kinds of seeds. You have bonsai, fir, oak, and cherry. And the prices start at 80, 350, 630, or 940. Okay, what's the difference? You will see what the difference is. Because every tree will give you a different amount of rewards. Okay, so now we go to step two: discover your magic tree. Trees will earn you game rewards if you give them some love, care, and attention. The following trees are called Genesis tree. Genesis tree NFTs cannot be sold in our Springgame store unlike rare NFTs. Okay, so as you can see, the bonsai will give you 1.24% daily. The fir will give you 1.86% daily. The oak 2.14% daily, and the cherry even 2.87% daily. So then step three: plant your tree on a plot. Since every tree must be properly rooted in its soil, each variety of tree has a specific environment that suits it perfectly and will allow you to multiply your game rewards. So there are two types of plots. You have the Genesis plot and the specific plots. Okay. Step number four: care for your tree. Over time, your tree will start to lose its leaves and health, and your game rewards will decrease. You will have to start maintaining your tree to restore its beauty, health, and maximum reward production. So what can you do? You can buy a water pack, you can buy a fertilizer pack, or unknown asset. Okay. Step five: collect your daily rewards. Step six: contribute to worldwide reforestation. Because we attach great importance to having a real impact in the real world, the purchase of a mystery seed will allow you to plant real trees in our world and participate in the reforestation of the planet. For this, 1% of the price of mystery seeds will be donated to our reforestation partner, One Tree Planted. Okay, so guys, that's how it works. Here's the white paper. You can have a more detailed introduction in this entire project, but in general, that was the quick overview, guys. And actually, I mean, it's somehow, I would say, interesting. Buy a seed, then you have a tree. Buy a seed, plant the seed, of course, and you will have a tree and earn rewards. I mean, it's really funny, I would say. And yes, here you can see some more information about this project, but somehow it's funny, guys. But of course, always do your own research before you invest your money. But this is a really, I would say, new kind of project, the first of this kind. And yes, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.